some stupid people.
I'm optimistic that if either Bernie or Elizabeth Warren gets the nomination, he's going to win. He's going to win way bigger than he did the first time. I mean, I got to listen, Mark. I've got to run. I'm out of time. But thank you so much for the call. AM 580, 95.1 FM, WGAC Augusta, the Austin Road Show.
I wonder what that's all about.
Well, alrighty, we are back. My apologies for not seeing that.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Comment on the district attorney's office has filed a paper, and she will be seeking death penalty in the
That was fun.
We visited Alliant Metals in Hempstead, New Hampshire. They import stainless.
Compliant, all for just $99 a month. Seriously, let's change HR from your biggest liability to your biggest strength. With Bambi, your dedicated HR manager is available by phone, email, or real-time chat.
Yeah, right turns are hard.
Termination. To be able to talk about on a re-election campaign, and it just. It seems like it's a little bit disingenuous what you're doing. I was wondering
what is disingenuous about?
Well, I think that instead of trying to get into her seat and trying to be effective, I feel like she's spent more time.
Just buy some cell phones.
With
I'm still here.
FM, WGAC Augusta, the Austin Road Show. We'll be back.
We don't drive like that here. I'm a liar. Yeah, we do this all the time.
Just talking about Dr. What's it say? What's her face? The dead girlfriend. Okay. Thank you for the info. I had another text message that came in. Austin,
Stop digging around the seat and drive.
All of the deputy and investigator problems around him. Look at his record over the last 2 years. None of what has gone on fell and rolled all around the ground. And my friends at one of the TV stations sent me that video. I used to have it. Would it be wrong for me to post that as a file?
No.
But it was good. It was good. I haven't. I don't know that I've ever seen.
You have no sense of timing, do you?
Lord knows. I witnessed.
Hello.
Hello, Jerry.
I'm not Gary.
Hello.
Much better. How you doing?
I don't know.
This moron sped up to get in the left lane, then he pulls over in front of me and slows down.
Yep.
And now we're speeding up to keep me from passing.
Nicholas News, who was still recovering from the injury that he suffered at the hands of a fellow officer in Richmond County, but he is on the mend, completely and fully functional.
There are a lot of dumb people out here today.
He's going to be incapacitated for a while until he got, I think he's right and ready to go on the job. So he's all good to go and none the worse for the wear. Congratulations. They got a great officer. Got to take a break here. We will do that and be back. Stay with us live from Mary's Home Furnishings, 1200 Watts.
Wow, you got a problem, don't you?
WGAC Morning News Time 531. Former Vice President Joe Biden takes a key endorsement into this weekend's presidential primary in South Carolina. Longtime Congressman Jim Clyburn proved support behind Biden yesterday, saying there's too much at stake to support anyone else.
It's time for us to respond. Let's get ridiculous. This is disrespect. What's that state this year?
The endorsement was not surprising given Clyburn's longtime friendship with Biden, and he also oversees one of South Carolina's biggest get-out-the-vote operations after decades in state politics. Democrats are increasingly anxious about Bernie Sanders.
Tomorrow this afternoon we'll top out around 54, then clear and follow tonight. Lots of starlight. We'll bottom out around 53. Sunshine tomorrow and we'll be at 50.
Man, we're getting them today, aren't we?
Sunshine 56 on Saturday. We start to bounce back on Sunday, partly cloudy skies and a high of 62. And then as we head back to work and school on Monday, we see partly cloudy skies and a high of around 60. Right now we've got fair skies and 40. I'm staff meteorologist Steve Smith. It's 5:36. Traffic and weather together on the Fox News Talk and Information WGAC.
So getting cheaper. Oh, now that's a brake check.
Couple of years nationally, not necessarily locally, they've got a lot of trouble attempting to sidestep a Freedom of Information Act request or request for official records. So nobody plays that game yet.
843-4NM, South Carolina.
They recognize the relationship that smaller banks have with the community, with the community, and they want to maintain that. Like you said, the regulations make it more difficult for the smaller banks to continue their business.
It does, and of course the bigger banks try to maintain that relationship by keeping those relationships actually related.
So Don is announcing his candidacy as District 2. District 2.
Whoa.
There's some stupid people.
On Trump, and I think that is the bomb hitting the ground.
Yeah, you're in the wrong lane. Come on.
There's no honking in baseball.
And for a short period of time, allow for exchange.
Park up, we're not supposed to be parking.
I will tell you, needless to say,
They're backing up when you shouldn't be backing.
I don't support
That's a way of
And turning right from the left lane.
Wow, really? Did he just?
Oh, yeah.
on a wonderful Monday afternoon. I say Monday. I again was looking forward to the broadcast day and lots of very, very important topics to discuss locally.
I knew they weren't gonna stop. Good grief.
What I called it was your Barbie story. Barbie was the girl in high school who explained what Roundtree was thinking. sometimes when decisions are made that I don't understand, I try and
against even bigger distributors like Amazon. I'm Jane Johnson.
24 after White America in the Morning continues. When?
Dark Tower. Deutsche Bank, Donald Trump.
Now he takes off like a rocket.
Well, you could have run behind them and ran the red light. I mean, come on.
Oh, everybody does it.
You,
sponsor the abortion
survivors
life to protect all babies,
into
no
the
matter
business.
how or when they're born. Call Senator Kelly Loeffler. Thank her
totally
for
ran that
working with
stop
President
sign, but
Trump
it's
to
not
fight
like
back.
that.
Tell her to keep fighting to deliver pro-life. Secrets. Breach about 3 years ago affected roughly 145 million people, with hackers successfully stealing names, social security numbers, and other personal information stored on Equifax's databases. WGAC News Time is 4:32. Traffic in Augusta's most accurate and dependable forecasts are next.
In 1979, Jiffy Lube changed everything by pioneering the world's first quick oil change with no appointment. And now, 40 years later, it's time to change everything again. Introducing Jiffy Lube Multicare, where at participating locations, you can now get the same fast and convenient no-appointment service on brakes, batteries, spark plugs, and more. Jiffy Lube Multicare. Now, more than ever, you can do more.
Don't be a jerk. Hey, it's not nice. And here it comes again.
WGAC News Time is 4:33. Let's go back to the traffic and weather centers. Latest traffic weather together. Working on clearing those earlier accidents for Deansbridge Road at Golden Camp Road and West Town Redboro Road and Baker Place Road remain blocked. Also near Roadtown, new accident Chamberlain Road just north of Redboro Road, and on Morton Highway east of Baker Mill Road there was that accident that's near Harlan. So be careful there. Buckle up and drive safely in the WGAC 24-hour.
You really do want to drive slow, don't you? Well, I can accommodate you.
For some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and we'll drop down to 59 tonight. Mostly cloudy tomorrow. Here comes the front, a 60% chance of showers.
You might just as well try to imagine a country where 2 and 2 made 5.
George Orwell did that.
But as regards what people you are.
Down in the ditch. Whoa. So, it's warm enough to wear shorts, but cold enough to wear a hoodie.